Welcome back. We are on Snake River Road. It's beautiful right now because it's still green. Pretty soon this whole area will turn brown and it looks like a wasteland. Right now it's beautiful. So yeah, it's a fucking nature show.
Freaking out on the interstate, rolling down the windows, baby. I can't hear a thing you say.
Welcome back. My advice for you is to always take that chance, you know? You never know what will happen. You know, they have that they have that saying, you miss 100% of the chances you never take. Yeah, that's what it is. So you go for it, you know? Why not? It's a fucking nature show!
You got a lot on your mind, and your heart, it looks just like mine. There's no use in wasting your time anymore.
Well, that's it. We made it. Here we are. It's beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the journey getting up here. I highly recommend driving down this road. Maybe get a day permit so you can do a little fishing. Who knows? A lot of bees. It's beautiful. Yeah. Pretty soon that'll all be brown. Brown town. Maybe that's why they call it Brownlee. I don't know. It's a fucking nature show!
Sorry, I haven't been myself. Something's got me down. What it is I cannot tell. I won't be satisfied with anything I ever. Fear is just a part of love. The one thing I have found is love is what you deserve.